Let me go back to Pete Williams. Pete, we're kind of left with a checkerboard now of states and how they regard abortion rights. And then there's the issue of even within some of those that plan to ban it, rape and incest. Where does that leave us right now?
Well, it leaves without any constitutional protection for that. Remember, the Mississippi law did not have exceptions for rape or incest, and that is the law that the Supreme Court today has upheld. The majority opinion doesn't say anything about that directly. The dissents say that because of the decision, there's no longer any constitutional support for the idea that there has to be some exception to abortion laws for rape or incest. Justice Brett Kavanaugh, in a footnote in his concurrence, says that he thinks the court leaves open an additional question about whether there has to be an exception for cases when an abortion would save the life of the mother. But in terms of rape or incest, there's no longer any constitutional protection or requirement that any of the states that are going to ban abortion make an exception in those cases, and the dissent decries that. And let me just quote one other sentence from the joint dissent written by Stephen Breyer. He says, he concludes his dissent by saying this: "With sorrow for this court, but more for the many millions of American women who have today lost a fundamental constitutional protection, we dissent." You know, this is one of those days, Lester, that if we were still in the days where the Supreme Court was open to the public, it's been closed since the pandemic hit, you would see the majority opinion announced by Justice Alito, and it tracks so closely with the draft that was leaked in May. The majority calls the Roe v. Wade decision not only wrong, but egregiously wrong, and explains why it overturns 50 years of precedent. But you would also have seen a long-spirited dissent read from the bench. We don't get to hear that because the justices don't take to the bench now. These decisions just come out on the web. But that's the sort of dramatic division that these opinions represent here. This is as divided as the Supreme Court can be.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.